You're not broke because you're too far away from $1 million. You're broke because you've been measuring wealth the wrong way. And that single mistake is keeping you farther from financial freedom than your income ever could. Here's the truth that almost nobody talks about. The distance between you and your first million is not measured in dollars. It's measured in decisions. Once you understand that, you'll realize you're much closer than you think. Most people hear the words $1 million and immediately stop paying attention. Their brain says, that's impossible. That's for rich people, not for me. If that's what you thought when you clicked on this video, don't leave. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why your biggest obstacle isn't your salary, your job, or where you were born. It's the way you've been thinking about money your entire life. Think about this. If I gave two people $1 million today, would they both still be millionaires 10 years from now? No. One would probably invest it, grow it, and build even more wealth. The other would slowly lose it until there was nothing left. Why? Because money follows behavior. That's why lottery winners go broke. That's why professional athletes lose fortunes. That's why people making six figures still live paycheck to paycheck. Money doesn't create wealthy people. Wealthy habits create money. And that's exactly why you're closer to becoming a millionaire than you think. Because habits can change much faster than your income. The problem is that most people are chasing money instead of becoming the kind of person money naturally follows. Every day you make hundreds of financial decisions without realizing it. You decide whether to save or spend, whether to learn or scroll, whether to build skills or waste another evening doing nothing that improves your future. Those decisions seem small. They're not. Imagine steering a ship across the ocean. Move the wheel just 1 degree. At first, nothing changes. The ship still looks like it's moving in the same direction. But after hundreds of miles, that tiny adjustment leads to a completely different destination. Your financial life works exactly the same way. One better decision won't make you rich, but thousands of better decisions will. That's how wealth is actually built, not through giant breakthroughs, through tiny choices repeated long enough for them to matter. Most people never see this because they're obsessed with speed. They want to double their money this month. They want financial freedom by next year. They want success without patience. But wealth has never rewarded impatience. It rewards consistency. Look at the people who quietly become wealthy. Most of them don't drive the flashiest cars. They don't spend every weekend trying to impress strangers. They don't chase every new trend promising overnight riches. Instead, they do something incredibly boring. They keep making smart decisions long after everyone else gets distracted. And boring is exactly what makes them rich. Here's something I want you to remember. The first $100 you save is more important than the first 100,000. Not because of the amount, because of the identity. Saving your first 100 proves something much bigger. It proves you're becoming someone who controls money instead of someone controlled by money. That identity changes everything. Once you become disciplined with small amounts, larger amounts become easier to manage. That's why becoming wealthy isn't really a financial journey. It's a psychological one. Before your bank account changes, your mindset has to change. Most people wait until they earn more before becoming responsible. Successful people become responsible before they earn more. That's a huge difference. Imagine two employees getting the exact same raise. One immediately upgrades their lifestyle. A more expensive apartment, a newer car, more subscriptions, more restaurants. The other person keeps living almost exactly the same. Instead of increasing expenses, they increase investments. 5 years later, one is wondering why they still feel broke. The other has built a portfolio that's quietly growing every single day. The difference wasn't income. It was direction. Money is like water. If you don't tell it where to go, it'll disappear. Now here's where most people make the biggest mistake of all. They underestimate time. They believe that if they don't become rich in a year, they're failing. But real wealth rarely looks exciting in the beginning. Think about planting bamboo. For years, almost nothing appears above the ground. It looks like nothing is happening. Then suddenly it shoots upward at an incredible speed. Did it grow overnight? No. It spent years building roots that nobody could see. Your financial life follows the same pattern. Every dollar invested, every book you read, every skill you develop, every unnecessary purchase you avoid, every hour you spend improving yourself. Those are roots. Nobody applauds roots. Nobody posts roots on social media. But roots determine how tall the tree eventually grows. That's why comparing yourself to someone else's highlight reel is one of the fastest ways to stay poor. You see their success. You never see their foundation. Another reason you're closer to $1 million than you think is because your income is only one way to create wealth. Most people depend on a single paycheck. Wealthy people build systems. They own investments, businesses, assets, skills that increase their value every year. Instead of asking, how can I work harder? They ask, how can my money and my skills work harder? That's a completely different game. And here's the good news. You don't need millions to start playing it. You need awareness. You need discipline. And you need consistency. Those three things cost nothing. The internet has given you access to financial education that previous generations could only dream about. Books, courses, interviews, business ideas, investment strategies, everything is available. The problem isn't lack of information. It's lack of action. Knowledge changes nothing. Applied knowledge changes everything. Ask yourself honestly, how many videos about money have you watched? How many books have you saved? How many podcasts have you listened to? Now ask yourself a harder question. How many of those ideas did you actually use? That's where the gap is. Not between you and a millionaire. Between knowing and doing. Successful people don't necessarily know more. They simply apply more. They don't wait until everything is perfect. They start before they feel ready. That's why they move ahead while everyone else keeps preparing. Here's something that may completely change the way you look at your future. Imagine improving just 1% every single day. 1% better with your spending. 1% better with your investing. 1% better with your financial education. 1% better with your discipline. Those tiny improvements don't look impressive today. But after months, after years, they become almost impossible to compete against. Small actions become massive results when time is allowed to multiply them. That's why your first million isn't earned all at once. It's built quietly. One decision, one habit, one investment, one lesson, one opportunity, repeated thousands of times. The world wants you to believe that wealth belongs to people with extraordinary talent. History tells a different story. Wealth usually belongs to people who consistently make ordinary decisions better than everyone else. They save when others spend. They invest when others hesitate. They learn while others complain. They stay patient while others quit. That patience becomes their advantage. So stop asking yourself how you'll ever make $1 million. That's the wrong question. Ask yourself something far more powerful. What's the next financial decision that moves me closer? Because that's how every millionaire started. Not with $1 million. With one good decision, then another, until one day, people looked at their success and called it luck. It wasn't luck. It was consistency that lasted longer than everyone else's excuses. You are closer to $1 million than you think, not because the money is already in your bank account, but because the person capable of building that wealth is created by the decisions you make every single day. And if you start making better decisions today, your future won't change overnight. But one day, you'll wake up and realize everything changed because you refused to stop when the results were still invisible. That's how real wealth is built. And your first million starts with the decision you make after this video ends.